Unsupervised learning algorithm and its application. Unsupervised learning is a pivotal branch of machine learning that enables systems to learn from data without pre-labeled outcomes. Unlike supervised learning, where models are trained using input-output pairs, unsupervised learning focuses on uncovering patterns and relationships within the data itself. This ability to analyze unstructured data makes it an invaluable tool across various domains. The foundation of unsupervised learning lies in clustering and association techniques. Clustering algorithms like k-means and hierarchical clustering categorize data points into groups based on similarities. For instance, a retail business can utilize clustering to segment customers based on purchasing behaviors, helping tailor marketing strategies to different groups. The visual representation of these clusters can aid businesses in revealing insights that would otherwise remain hidden. Another essential technique in unsupervised learning is dimensionality reduction, exemplified by algorithms such as principal component analysis, PCA, and T-distributed stochastic neighbor embedding, TSNE. These algorithms help simplify complex datasets while preserving their essential features. Dimensionality reduction can improve the efficiency of machine learning processes and provide clearer visualizations, making it easier to interpret large sets of information. Applications for unsupervised learning abound in diverse fields. In healthcare, unsupervised learning plays a crucial role in identifying patterns in patient data, discovering groupings of symptoms that indicate potential diseases. This insight provides healthcare practitioners with early warning signs, improving patient outcomes through preemptive measures. In finance, firms use unsupervised learning for anomaly detection, sifting through transactions to spot fraudulent activities or unusual spending patterns. By learning from historical data, these algorithms can flag transactions that deviate from established patterns, safeguarding against fraud. Moreover, social media platforms harness unsupervised learning to enhance user experience. By analyzing user-generated content, these platforms can suggest relevant connections and tailor content feeds, ensuring users engage with material that resonates with their interests. This application enhances user satisfaction and increases platform engagement. Despite its many advantages, implementing unsupervised learning comes with challenges. The lack of labeled data can lead to ambiguous interpretations of the results. Therefore, it is essential for practitioners to apply domain expertise to validate the findings generated by these algorithms. In summary, unsupervised learning not only empowers machines to derive meaningful insights from raw data, but also catalyzes innovation across various fields.